This chapter is all about definite integrals. What you have said in IGCSE, if you didn't say in additional integration, here we will see the integration with boundaries and mainly the area under the curve and also the volume. We will see here in this chapter. So let's start step by step with the definite integrals. What's the definite integral is? As you know, we have two types of integration, with boundaries and without boundaries. Without boundaries means anti-differentiation. So we are looking for the original function. If we see boundaries, it's all about the definite integral. It's all about the calculating the area under the curve. So here is the main formula is there are some properties which may save your time while solving the problems. If you change the places of the boundaries, it will be negative. If you have constant, you can take it outside, first calculate the integration, then multiply by k. And if you have, for example, between your boundaries, it can go reversely. For example, between a and c, if you have any number, you can separate your integration. If you have just not one number, multiple number, you can separate into many regions, your area. So these two b's are same. You can separate, if you remember, from the previous chapters. For example, if we have between a and c, we have number b, we can separate our integration into two parts, area 1 and area 2, from a to b and from b to c. So it's the third one mainly about this one. And the last one, if we have more functions, more than one, more than two, we can separate the integration and with the same boundaries. Let's see in practice, it's not that difficult. First, we need to calculate the integration, then we put the boundaries. So the first integration, what will be x to the power 3 plus ln x between 1 and 4. Right, then we put first 4, it will be 4 to the power 3 by 3 plus ln 4, it's the first one, then according to the formula minus, then we put the 1 by 3, 1 cube, okay, plus ln 1. So from here, what we can do, ln 1 we know it's 0, and from here 4 to the power 3 is 64, 64 by 3 plus ln 4 minus 1 by 3, so it will be 63 by 3 plus ln 4, so it will be 21 plus ln 4. Shortly we can write like this, but you can connect them if you convert 21 to ln, so it's up to you. One more problem with respect to properties. So what do we have? If function between 1 and 3 equals to 2 and between 1 and 6 equals to minus 3, what's equal to between 3 and 6? So it's about the separation. So let me write just, it's between 1 and 6, f of x dx. As it's given 3 and it's asking about 3 and 6, we can separate between 1 and 6, we have 3. So I can separate my integration from 1 to 3, f of x dx, plus from 3 to 6, f of x dx. So this one is a bigger area divided to two small areas. So what's given between 1 and 6? It's given it's minus 3, and between 1 and 3 it's given 2, and we have to find what's this plus between 3 and 6. So based on this one, question mark will be minus 5. So this area equals to minus 5. From here, just we will discuss it later. As you can see, it's negative, and we are telling it's an area. So what it can be? It means that these the negativity means that your area, the region bounded, is below the x-axis. We will discuss in more details. When you have the area here, the sign will appear negative. Or if you have the sum, okay, later we'll discuss in more details, but don't be confused when you see the negative sign here. It means your region is below the x-axis.